Hello my dear students. Today we are going to have Unit 10 in Connect Plus and we are going to have a new theme. Our new theme today is communication. As you see in front of you in slide 2, you are going to see the communication theme. Of course, you are going to think what this unit is going to be about. Okay, next slide you will see the first lesson. We have a picture of a boy and a girl, and you will see they are searching for something. Okay, we love adventure. This is the title of our lesson today. We love adventure. Okay, in the next slide you will know what is the meaning of adventure. If you look again to the picture, you will see a boy and a girl. They are searching about maybe insects, maybe animals. They are searching for something they don't see. And this is very exciting. So adventure is an exciting experience or activity. Adventure again is an exciting experience or activity. So you do something, you are excited about it, and you will know a lot of information after doing this exciting thing. In the next slide, you will see, I want you to open your books in 84 and 85. You will see Hani, Hannah, Amir, and Amira, the main characters of our curriculum. They are looking for something. Let's read together to know what they are doing. We love adventure. We love adventure. This is the title of our lesson, as I told you. And number one, Hani says, let's go and look for the toys that Mrs. Mona hid in the park. She said they are in the north. She said they are in the north. In the north. You know what is the north? Okay. Number two, yes, I love adventure. Yes, I love adventure. If we walk a long way, we will need a map. If we walk a long way, we will need a map. So, number three, yes, we will need a compass too. We will need a compass too. Number four, why will we need a compass? He's wondering, why will we need a compass? She says, to show us where to go. So, the compass shows us where to go. So, what are Hani and Hannah doing? Think about that. In the next slide, I'm going to show you some new vocabulary. Here you can see a picture of a magnet. And what is a magnet? Of course, all of you, or most of you, have seen a magnet. Okay? And in the next picture, you can see attract. Attract, this is a verb. Opposite, repel. So, what are these words, Miss Shireen? This is the words about a magnet. Why we are studying such thing? We mentioned that they had a compass. What is a compass? It's a device to show us the way, to show us the north direction, okay? So, inside the compass there is a magnet, a magnetic needle. Inside a compass is a magnetic needle. This needle refers also, always to the north, okay? So, because we want to understand what is a compass, so we have to understand what is a magnet. A magnet is a piece of metal, can attract other metals, okay? Attract, bring it towards it, okay? And repel, give it away. So, if you look to the second picture here, you will find a magnetic force. The magnet should have two poles, north and south, okay? Any magnet has two poles, north and south. And if you have two magnets and you bring it close to each other like this, if the north, near the north pole, so they will repel. If the south, near the south, the north pole of a magnet, near the south pole of another magnet, so they will attract. So the different poles attract, and the same poles or the similar poles repel. Attract, repel. attract, repel. Okay. Magnetic field, this is the third one picture here in front of you. You can see magnetic field. What is the magnetic field? It is the area around the magnet, and I think you have studied this in the Discover subject with Miss Huda. She told you about the magnetic field, and she shows you how to use a magnet and how to know it attracts or repels or whatever. If we move to the next slide, you will see more. Here you can see a compass and a needle, and also the verb navigate. What does it mean? Navigate is to find the direction using your GPS, compass, or map. So we have different ways to navigate, to know the direction, where to go. To know where to go, so you can use the GPS on your mobile, or compass, or a map. Okay? Here is the compass. As you see, it's a device having a magnetic needle in the middle, and this magnetic needle always refers to the north. Once you know the north, you will know the rest of the directions: north, south, east, and west. Okay, and this is the shape of the needle in front of you. In the next slide, we have in your book, if you open your book 86 and 87, you will see the different shape of the magnet. We have horseshoe magnet and bar magnet in front of you, and you will know the poles of the magnet also. Look at the page 86. It has some words in a box, and I did it for you in your page. You can copy it from here. The first one is a magnet, as you see, and it has two colors, blue and red, and those two colors shows you the two different poles of the magnet. Okay, and the number 2 is poles. Poles mean the two ends of the magnet, imagine that this is a magnet, and this is one pole, and this is the other pole. So the north pole and the south pole, and as you see, the north pole is red, the south pole is blue. Number 3, the verb attract. Attract means going together, going to each other like this. And the next one is repel, and as I told you, the different poles attract. As I said before, if you put the north pole of one magnet together with the south pole of the another magnet, so they will attract. If you put south pole of a magnet and another south pole of another magnet, so they will repel, because different poles attract, same poles repel, and this is a scientific rule. Number 5, as you see, this is a magnetic field. Field means the area around the magnet in which it can attract things. Okay, number 6 is compass. Compass, this is the compass that shows you the north direction, and once you know the north direction, you can know the rest of the directions. And we have 4 directions, the 4 directions of Earth: north, south, east, and west. Okay. In the next page, you will see 7, navigate. Navigate. This is showing you how to find your own way using either a magnet or a map. Okay, and then 8th picture, this is a needle. Okay, so this is the magnetic needle. It's made out of magnet, not any other material, because the only thing that shows you the direction is the magnet. Okay, also in the number 3, you will find read and write, listen and check. Okay, a magnet is a piece of metal. This is showing you what is a magnet. That can attract or repel some other materials. So it's a piece of metal that can attract or repel some other materials. Magnets have a north pole and a south pole. Okay, it has a north pole and a south pole. When the north pole of the magnet is close to a south pole of another magnet, they attract, as I told you. The north pole of a magnet repels the north pole of another magnet because they are the same. And south pole of a magnet repels the south pole of another magnet. A magnetic field is an area around a magnet which can pull objects towards it. We cannot see it, it's invisible. Of course, the magnetic field is invisible, we cannot see it. Okay, invisible means you cannot see it, invisible, and the opposite of invisible is visible. Okay. A compass can help you to navigate. The needle in a magnet is a magnet. It always points to the north. This is the information we were talking about. Okay. This is the end of our lesson. I want you to study the vocabulary very good and meet you again inshallah in the next one. Bye bye.